Jamaican man
Check out the
questions
story
the
in
story
Jamaica, yeah.
we were taught.
There's something wrong about the story. Because people arriving in Jamaica all the time. First you have people there before the Taino and the Arawak arrive there. And Jamaica have an underground world, underground city, underground cave system that lead right back to Africa, to Ethiopia. So people used to walk from Ethiopia underground, come to Jamaica, and go to India, and go all through Africa. Go to Hawaii and all those places. First you have an underground world, just like how people are flying an aeroplane today. People used to walk underground, those who know the way. So Jamaica have a pyramid, just like Egypt or South America. There's pyramid in Jamaica. And there's building in Jamaica in the mountains, in the Cockpit country and in the Blue Mountain, in John Crow Mountain, that nobody know who built them. So Jamaica have a great history where if the African come to Jamaica and run away in the hills and form a resistance against the British, then what about the people who was there long before them come? You know? This history need to be retold, something wrong about the history.